There are things that you can do at home to get our roots done or to cover our gray. I'm gonna walk through what you need. Classic box kit of color, hair clips, barrier cream for the hairline can be chapstick, Vaseline, or EVOO, gloves, and towels we don't care about. I am going to take a simple garbage bag, cut out a little neck space, and then on the sides do the same for armholes. And boom, you have a great color smock. Okay guys, so the great thing is you do not need to wash your hair unless your hair has a ton of product or it is super, super oily. Put on your gloves. You want to protect your hands from permanent staining right from the get-go. And you will be wearing these even when you rinse the color out of your hair. My best pro advice for getting a great color at home, keep it simple. This is not the time to want to do something dramatic, change your color, go darker, go lighter. Just try to blend and match up your roots. Wait for the salon to make any big changes. So I like to protect around the hairline before I color my hair. And so basically I'm using anything that's petroleum jelly, little EVOO, just put that right on there and that creates a perfect, safe barrier against stains and irritation. Today I have a classic box kit. What does every box come with? Typically comes with instructions, your gloves, we have developer, and we have color pigment. Open up the bottle. Most of the tubes will be numbered, so it makes it really easy for you. Break the top and give it a very, very good shake. This is my grayest area, so that's where I'm gonna start my color application. That way it's on the longest, it just makes sense. For a lot of people, they have a lot of gray around the hairline. If that's you, then start your application on your hairline and then you'll work back. By clipping my hair in the back, I'm keeping my ends and my other hair away from the work area. But if you really want to, you're gonna do the back in a separate section. Just get the whole front done for starters. Go right down in rows, very simple, targeting that gray. I'm gonna take 1/2-inch sections. If you have little areas to work, whether it be on the front or the top, tiny little root area, and you want to have extra concentration to cover that gray, grab an old toothbrush. Check it out. How cool is that? Combs up all of those grays. So my best tip for doing the back,
yes,
is ask your co-quarantine
yeah, my pleasure.
teammate.
So like that?
Mm-hmm.
There, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's a couple of grays. Sorry. Is it okay just to do it like this?
Yes, perfect. You're doing great. Okay, so this color kit says to leave this on 25 minutes unless you have stubborn gray. If you do, with any color kit, you can go another 5 and your gray will definitely cover better. If you have a little staining or the colors dripped a little around the hairline, literally massage and emulsify the color right into the hairline and even slightly onto the skin. Time to rinse and condition. I'm gonna make sure I rinse out all of the color until the water runs clear. And we are there. All the color's out of my head. Now my hair is ready to have conditioner. And this is gonna lock in the color. It helps to level off the pH of the hair because it's undergone a chemical service. My directions say 2 minutes, but this is usually where I go do something, and if it stays in a little longer, that's okay too. Just rinse it out. For me, I make the water pretty cool, not cold, but cool, because it definitely enhances shine. That's it, I'm colored and ready to style. Let's show you guys. No gray.